Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips to help sell your online course. So if you have an online course that you created or you're looking to create an online course, I'm going to be sharing with you a few tips to help you market your course. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to sell your online course. So as I mentioned, maybe you've already created a course or you're looking to create a course. And I'm going to be giving you some information on how you can get started when it comes to creating an online course. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just get right into this video. If you haven't created an online course yet and you're looking to start earning a passive income, the best thing to do is to first plan out what your course is going to be about. And then once you do that, the next step is to actually record your course. So since it is going to be an online course, you have to decide whether you're going to be on camera or you're going to be recording your screen and just talking over your screen recording. So once you figured out what your course is going to be about and you recorded it, the next step is to go to a website called teachable.com, and this is where you're going to host your online course. Now, it's pretty simple to get started. All you have to do is go to Teachable, you sign up to become a teacher, and then this is where you're going to upload your course onto. So once you upload your course onto Teachable and you set the price for people to enroll into it, you then have to get people to actually enroll into your course. So this is where marketing comes into play. So whatever your course is about, whether it's about how to build a website, how to fly a drone, how to lose weight, you should be creating content that's based around what your course is about. Or in other words, you should be creating content that's based on the niche that you're in. So whatever topic that you're focusing on with your course, you should be creating content that's focusing on that same topic. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, you're posting ads on Facebook, or creating posts on Facebook, or even Instagram, or maybe you have a podcast. You need to be creating content that is focusing on the same niche that your course is about. So what I recommend is to pick a platform that you want to go with and you stick to it. So maybe you're not good at creating videos, but you're better at writing articles. You can create a blog website where you're writing articles based on the niche or whatever your course is about. Just stick to it until you start to get better and better at it. And eventually, you're going to start to build up your audience. Another tip that I want to share with you guys is when you're promoting your course, it helps you out a lot if you have a lead magnet. So, let me explain what a lead magnet is. A lead magnet is going to be something that's going to be based around the niche that you're in, which is going to deliver value to the person who's looking to have a problem addressed that they're having. So, for example, if your online course is about how to build a website, you should have a lead magnet. Maybe it's a free video that somebody can watch or an ebook they can read on 5 easy steps to get started building a website. If somebody's struggling to build a website, a lead magnet like this is going to attract their attention. So if somebody is interested in your lead magnet, you should be investing into an email software service, which is going to help you collect leads and eventually generate sales. Now, I talk about email marketing in other videos that I've done in the past. And if you want a more detailed explanation about how it works, I'm going to leave a link in the card somewhere and you guys can go and check it out. But let me just quickly explain on how you should have everything set up if you're trying to generate leads and promote your online course. So, for the sake of time, let's say you've already picked out an email software service. So, an email software service is basically a service that allows you to build a subscriber list and send out automated emails to the people who are on your list. So, they also provide landing pages. And I'm going to link in the description below a few email software services that you can check out. So let me give you guys a quick visual of how this should look. So let's say this is your landing page. where you're promoting your online course. So up here is going to be your title. And let's say your online course is showing somebody how to build a website from scratch. And your lead magnet is going to be a video about 5 easy steps that somebody can do to get started building their website. So you can have right here an image or a video, maybe like a preview of what they can expect to see when they enter in their email address. So below right here is an area where they're going to enter in their email address. And then under that is going to be a button. So once they enter in their email address and they click on that button, it's going to take them to the next page where they're going to see that video, which is going to show them 5 easy steps to get started building a website. But once they click on that button to take them to the next page, if you have your email software service working the right way for you, they should now be added to your email list, where they're going to be receiving what's called your autoresponder sequence. So each of these emails should be related in the niche that you're in, where you're talking about how to build a website, how to rank in SEO, the best website platforms to use, stuff like that. Now when somebody clicks on the button to take them to the next page, they're gonna be greeted by what's called a bridge page, or also referred to as a thank you page. Now these just basic, it's pretty self-explanatory. They basically say thank you for signing up. Check your email for the free video where I talk about 5 steps to build a website. But if you want a chance to make a sale on the front end, what you should do is have another video where you introduce yourself and you explain your online course that you're promoting. And you can just simply say, if you're interested in getting started with building your website the right way, click here to enroll into my course. Now most people who see this the first time, they're not gonna purchase the online course. But if they do, then you just made a sale on the front end. But if they don't, which is most people, it doesn't matter, because now they're gonna be receiving your autoresponder sequence. And you just let them know in your thank you page to check their email for that free video. So in each one of your emails, you should be delivering value, which I mentioned is gonna be based on the niche that you're in. And you should be giving people a call to action at the end of your emails. So let's say, for example, your first email is gonna be something saying the best tips when getting started building your website. You're gonna give people maybe a quick summary of what to do, what not to do when building a website. And then at the end of your email, you're gonna give them a call to action simply by saying, if you're interested in learning how to build your website the right way, click here and to get started. And then you're gonna have a link which is gonna take them to the online course, the sales page for your online course. And if they enroll into your course, then you made a sale. And if not, they're gonna receive the second autoresponder, the third one, the fourth one, and on. So that's basically how you sell your online course. Because if you're just promoting that you have an online course without delivering any value, you're not gonna make a whole lot of sales this way, because people have to feel like they can have some kind of trust with you before they're ready to make a purchase. Especially if you're selling an online course for $200 or up. So you have to build trust with the people that come to your landing page, and you have to build up your email list. The more people that you have on your email list, the more likely you are to make a sale. I hope that makes sense. So that's basically how you market your online course. I hope you guys got some value from this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.